Every now and then you get an idea. So this is a youth axe, just for reference. You can kind of see the size of it. This is a bushwhacker machete from South America. It Colum from Columna. Just so you get an idea of the size of things here. And this is something my blacksmith son made for me called a Man-chete. That is razor sharp. Touching it's enough to cut you. This gives you an idea of the size of that beast. But weight-wise, it weighs more than the axe and the machete combined. So we're going to take it out. There's his little brand there. We're going to take it out here and test it on an item or two and see how this Man-chete cuts.